Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ITI Nini channel.
Hi friends, today we will discuss an interesting problem related to the basic electrical. Let us understand it step by step. We have a problem. Given a piece of copper with a specific resistance of 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm centimeter and a volume of 10 cubic centimeter. If it is case 1, drawn into a wire of 200 meter length. Case 2, rolled into a square plate of 10 centimeter side. The question is, which of the following represents the resistance of the wire and the resistance between the opposite faces of the plate? And these are the options. Given data. Imagine you have a piece of copper with a specific resistance of 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm centimeter and a volume of 10 cubic centimeter. Now you decide to reshape this copper into two different ways. First, drawing into a wire of 200 meter length. Second, rolling it into a square plate with a side of 10 centimeter. The question is, how will the resistance change in each case? Formula explanation. For resistance of a conductor is given by the formula R equals to rho into L upon A. For the wire, the volume is equals to the product of its length and cross-sectional area. For the square plate, the volume is equals to the product of its side, width and thickness. Using the given data and the formula, we can determine the cross-sectional area of the wire. We know that the formula is cross-sectional area of the wire equals to volume divided by length of the wire. We know that volume is 10 cubic centimeter and length of the wire is 20,000 centimeter. So we will get 0.005 centimeter square. Using the formula, resistance of the wire equals to rho into length of the wire divided by area of the wire. We will get resistance of the wire equals to 68 ohm. Step 2. Using the given data and formula, we can determine the resistance between the opposite faces of the plate. First, we find the thickness of the plate. The formula is thickness of the plate equals to volume of the plate divided by length of the plate into length of the plate. We know that volume of the plate is 10 cubic centimeter and length of the plate is 10 centimeter. After simplifying, we will get the thickness of the plate is 0.1 centimeter. The area of the plate between the opposite faces of the plate is area equals to length of the plate into length of the plate, means area of square is A square. Like that, area of the plate equals to length of the plate square. We know that length of the plate is 10 centimeter. Therefore, the area of the plate we will get 100 centimeter square. Using the formula for resistance, R equals to rho into thickness divided by area. We know that the resistivity is 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm centimeter and the thickness of the plate we get 0.1 centimeter. And now we got area of the plate is 100 centimeter square. After simplifying this, resistance of the plate is 0.0017 micro ohm. The answer is resistance of the wire is 68 ohm. Resistance between the opposite faces of the plate is 0.0017 micro ohm. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.